इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर्मूला है। आप लोग को मालूम है अलजेब्रा में हम पढ़े a² - b² = a + b होल इंटू a - b। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ट्रिगोनोमेट्री। विल रीड टुडे ट्रिगोनोमेट्री क्लास X क्लास स्टैंडर्ड 10 फॉर CBSE स्टूडेंट्स एंड NCERT बुक्स। Standard 10 trigonometry. For fundamental thing in trigonometry is that just look at the board picture. In this YouTube video you will learn that if you will not be able to remember, you can again rewind back, again read it. Okay, I have drawn a picture ABC. Triangle is ABC, the right triangle. So it is called ABC. B is base, small b, and AB is equal to perpendicular. Let us take it as small p, and AC is hypotenuse. Okay, so we will find the sin theta, cos theta. Some terms you already might have learned. Sin A, suppose sin theta, a theta angle we will take. Sin A means side opposite to angle A and by hypotenuse. Sin A, which side is opposite to angle? Now we will have to take one angle. One is right angle and another is small angle. Let us call it as theta. Theta. Okay, sin theta, or just you can call it A, sin A. When in your book it is there, NCERT book. Sin of A, side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse, is equal to BC by AC. Sin of A, we can make the angle like this, just opposite way. Just listen to better. As in your book, given in the book, so it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, I am giving the angle like this, as in your book, so it will be easier for you. This is the right triangle, this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, then this is an angle. Then we will take the sine, trigonometric ratios. These are called trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, these things ratio. In the figure triangle ABC, A and C is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, we will call it as small h, hypotenuse. Okay, then one is base, AB is base and BC is perpendicular, and side adjacent to C is BC. Then sin of A is equal to BC by AC. If you write like this, sin A is equal to BC by AC, hypotenuse. Okay, A means opposite A, this is angle A, opposite to this is BC, this is called sin A. Similarly cos A, cosine, well, simple line is cos A. Cos A is equal to AB by AC. AB by AC. Okay, cos A, this is cos A. Now it is in cos A. Okay, then sin A and cos A. Similarly tan A, tangent, tan A is equal to BC by AB. Tan A is equal to BC by AB. BC by AB. That is side opposite to angle A, side adjacent to angle A. Side opposite to angle A opposite by side adjacent to angle A. BC by AB. Then cosec A. Cosec A cosec means it is 1 by sin A. One formula is this, 1 by sin A, just simple formula, just opposite of sin A. Sin A BC by AC, then cosec will be just opposite, AC by BC, AC by BC. Okay, now it is shown. Okay, then sec A. Sec A is 1 by cosec, just sec A. I am writing sec A 1 by cos A, just opposite of cos A. Cos A is AB by BC, AC, so it will be AC by AB. Okay, sec A, AC by AB. You have got sin, cos, tan, cosec. Then another is cotangent. Cot is the opposite of tan. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A, just opposite A. Tan A is BC by AB, just it opposite AB by BC. You will not be able to understand, just call me, I will again explain you. Okay, then there are three things: sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. From here you have to learn these things, just read it carefully. Sin is BC by AC, then cosec is just opposite. Sin and cosec, which are opposite. Sin is equal to 1 by cosec, A, B, C, whatever may be. Cos is equal to 1 by sec, and tan is equal to sin by cos. One another formula is sin by cos. Okay, again tan is equal to 1 by cot, just opposite of cot. But then what will be cot? Cot will be also opposite of tan. Cot is equal to 1 by tan. Okay, or tan is sin by cos, cot will be cos by sin. Just I am showing you. These are the things, just let's see and remember. Sin is equal to 1 by cosec, cos is equal to 1 by sec, tan is equal to sin by cos, or tan is equal to 1 by cot, cot is equal to 1 by tan, cos by sin. It may be cos A, sin theta, cos theta, whatever may be. I have written, just remember this by heart. So from the picture you can learn sin A is equal to BC by AC, that is base by hypotenuse. Cos A is equal to AB by AC, adjacent to the opposite to the A, angle adjacent cos A, base by hypotenuse. And tan A is equal to BC by AB, base by perpendicular by base, BC by AB. Cot is opposite. From three things, sin, cos and tan. Sin and cos you can get everything. Sin by cos is equal to tan, so you can get it. BC by AC into AC by AB, so you will get tan. If you cannot understand anything, just tell me, I will explain you again. Okay, then next formula, we will go to the main formula. These formulas you just write it. From the triangle, see the triangle A, B, C. B is right triangle, C is theta, angle opposite A. Then these are things: sin is equal to BC by AC, cos is equal to AB by AC, tan will be BC by AB. This one, just see it and remember. Okay, if in doubt you can ask or comment. Okay. Now I will move on to next thing. Just see it carefully, how everything. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. I have written in the top. So sin square theta will be is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta will be equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Same thing I can write here. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. In algebra I have seen it. Just see, look. Sin square theta plus cos square theta will 1. Cos square theta will 1 minus sin square theta. And sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is the formula. From algebra, you will remember this, and it will help you solving the problems. Now we will discuss the next things. All the things are in your book. I am just telling you. How can determine cos theta, sin theta? An example is given. I am showing you from the book. Suppose how you will get it. Theta is there, ABC. One picture is given in your book also. Example is there. I am just see it, note down it, then I will erase it. Just the formulas. Cot theta will cos by sin, tan theta will go 1 by cot theta, tan theta will go sin theta by cos theta. Just remember this. I will tell you again if you forget. Okay, now let us solve a problem based on this. Just these thetas. Okay. In the book problem is there. I am just telling you. Okay, this is the triangle ABC, where C is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to 29, and BC is equal to 21. So you have to find out. Consider a triangle, example 3. ACB, right angle at C. C at right angle, which AB 29 units, BC 21 units. ABC equal theta. Your figure is 8.10. Find out. Just see. This is the picture. In your book it is there. Okay. Just see. 21, 29. Okay. I have made picture. Then you have to find out. What is you have to find out? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Then AC is equal to AB square minus BC square root over. This is right triangle. So what happens? AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. Hypotenuse you have known in the geometry already. No. AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. I have already told previously. So what will be AC square? AC square is equal to AB square minus BC square. Then what will be AC? AC is equal to AB square minus BC square root over. Two sides are given. Just to be able to find, this is the formula. AB is how much? 29. That is 29 square minus 21 square root over. Is given in the example. Then A square minus B square equal to A minus B whole into A plus B. And formula is there. That is 29 minus 21 whole into 29 plus 21. Very easy. Take the root over. 29 and 21 is equal to 8. This is equal to 49. That is how much? 420. 8 into 49. Root over 420. Sorry. It is 50. 29 plus 21. 21 is equal to 50. 50 into 8 is equal to 400. Then root over will be 20. Okay. You got AC? Found out? AC. Then sin theta is equal to AC by AB. What will be sin theta? AC by AB. AC by AB. AC you have got 20. You have got 20. 20 by AB. 20 by 29. You have got. Then cos theta is equal to BC by AB. Cos will be BC by AB. Here cos is BC by AB, 21 by 20. Then he asked cos square theta plus sin square theta. You can just get it. You have got AC AB. Just see in the example. Result given. This is example. Let's see it. Example, everything is given. You can see it clearly. This is example number 3. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta and cos square theta minus sin square. Everything you can get it. I have got it. Cos theta from this formula only you can get it. And solve it by yourself. If any doubt, we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Just see the example here by yourself. Book itself, it is given, clearly given. See it. Okay. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Everything is given. SC is equal to this one. It is proved. Triangle figure 8.19. See it. Then you have got the SC. You can find cos square theta plus sin. Everything you can find out. Okay. If any doubt, just call me. I will explain it. If you like my channel, please subscribe it and tell your friends to subscribe it and learn more and more about trigonometry mathematics. Okay. Rest we will discuss in the next video tomorrow. This is trigonometry for NCERT students, class 10 and CBSE student. I have just given the formula. Just look at it again. Simple formula. Sin is equal to BC by AC. Sin is equal to 1 by cosec. Cos is equal to 1 by sec. Tan is equal to sin by cos. Tan is equal to 1 by cot. Cot is equal to 1 by tan. Sin by cos is equal to tan. Just opposite it. Tan is equal to 1 by cot. Cot is equal to cos by sin. Same thing. Cos A is equal to sin A. I have given the example. Sin is equal to BC by AC. Cos is equal to AB by AC. Just angle opposite to the. You will get it. Read in book. If you have any doubt, just tell me. If you like it, please subscribe it. Press the bell button and tell your friends. We will study other things in the next chapter. If you have any doubt, give your comment and WhatsApp me also. I can explain you in by WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9938501329. Okay, thank you.